Hi guys, welcome to yet another video in my channel. It is not a secret anymore how much I love Kolkata, and one of the best things about the city is the food obviously. But as I see that restaurants and cafes are growing so much, I was thinking that probably we should also support the small businesses like the street foods, because still 90% of our population feed on those food all day every day and they taste so good. In fact, in a study 2-3 years back, it was found that Kolkata has the most popular street foods in the world. So today I am going to explore all the street foods I can eat in Kolkata till I am full. But it is not going to be an ordinary street food eating video. I am making it. How can it be ordinary? So, as I told you, the drill of this video is all I can eat under 500. So, I have the budget of 500 rupees only. So, it is basically a challenge video that once this 500 finishes, I have to stop eating as well. So, basically it is a challenge video on what all I can eat under 500 rupees. So, whether I will be able to pass that challenge or not, you have to watch till the end to know that. But I think I will be filled. But I honestly have no idea about the price range of the street food. So I'm going to call this video Roop Street Food Walking for the day. So come with me and enjoy. So my first stop was Dekers Lane, which is also called James City Showroom. Interestingly, this lane is called Food Lovers Paradise. I'm living in Kolkata for the last 26 years, we both are. But we have come to this place for the first time, can you imagine? And the most famous shop in this whole lane is Chitto Babu Dokan, and you know what the most special part about that is? Okay, let's go and then I'll tell you. Now this is the entrance. You go inside and after 2-3 shops you find the very famous Chitto Babu Dokan. It is said that this Dokan was made during our independence, and I feel that somewhere people not only come here for the food but they also come here for that nostalgia factor. We had ordered a very famous Indian street food called Ghugni. ভালো মানে কিরম লাগছে মানে ইজ ইট ওয়ার্থ দ্য হাইপ ইয়েস মানে পাড়ার এমনি রাস্তার দোকানের থেকে লাইক দ্য শপস দ্যাট উই ইউজুয়ালি শপ ফ্রম ইজ দ্য টেস্ট এনি ডিফারেন্ট ঘুগনি যেরকম হয় নর্মালি হয় বাট ইটস লেস স্পাইসি অ্যান্ড ইট টেস্ট গুড ওকে লেটস ট্রাই basically given a very generous portion, whole bowl in only 20 rupees. So we still have 480 rupees to go. Very nice. And it has got salad as well. I think the best seller of this shop is chicken stew along with toast, and all the office goers take it before they go to the office. So we are done with Dekers Lane now, and nearby we have the very popular Esplanade, which has got so many shops. We have not decided on what we are going to take there, but let's finally go to our very own new market to try out the street food there. We are in the more of Esplanade, and this very famous Kesi Das is one of the most popular sweet shops in the entire city. What the craze is about, but you know, everyone you mention that you are from Kolkata and they will be like, bring Rasgulla from Kesi Das. Like I went inside and the sweets were not even that good. Like for me, Panna's Kitchen is the best, but I don't know what the hype is about. But just for the hype, we took one mishti, and that is something made of kheer. जब मैं अंदर गई, they asked me not to take a video, so I'm standing outside because honestly, I have had the Rasgulla a lot of times, but I don't find it that good unless it's made fresh and soft. But let's try this mishti because I have never had this before. So this is the sweet and it's filled with roshe bhara. Nevertheless, let's try. Check how it is. Ore baba, it's so hard. This is why I don't like overhyped places. Ordinary. That's the very ordinary. It's so hard. Not good at all. Won't recommend. So 20 and 24. Right now we have spent only 44 rupees, which is less than even 100. Chalo, now quickly let's cross the Esplanade Mall. So we have reached Esplanade's gullies, and now we will browse through everything and see what we are going to do. This is the very iconic Nizam's restaurant, which is too old, even before our parents were born. But there are some street food stalls there. We are going to take from there because we honestly don't have the capacity to have biryani and egg roll now. So let's go to the street foods and see what we can take. Have you seen street food restaurants as dirty as this? Like unhygienic का माँ बहन एक कर दिया. 100 दुकानें हैं इधर पूरा बैक टू बैक. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को दे दिया कि कौन से रेस्टोरेंट को चूज करके वी कैन ईट, because everything is the same and menu is almost the same in every of the stores, and it's super unhygienic as I am already saying, but it's okay. पेट खराब वैसे ही पड़ा हुआ है and it's fine for a day. So we selected this भैया store and we ordered कचौरी चाट because समोसा चाट मैंने पहले भी खाया है और दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है although, but still. ये है अपना कचौरी चाट एंड मैंने पूरा फैला दिया है इसको ऐसे. बट मिस टेस्टर प्लीज ट्राई एंड टेल मी हाउ इट इज. बाय द वे इट इज 40 रुपीज ओनली, सो वी हैव स्पेंट 84 राइट नाउ. हाउ इज इट? हॉट? एकदम गरम गरम है. दिस इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. नमक थोड़ा ज़्यादा है पर ये भैया क्या ही करेंगे. I think 9 out of 10. Guys, this is me again, and if you have the capacity or if you are in Kolkata, please visit this shop. It's right next to Nizam's, in the street opposite to Nizam. Please come here and try the kachori or the samosa chaat because it's so wonderful and flavorful. तो पूरा सज गया है क्रिसमसी vibes में अभी. Then we came to Lindsay Street and selected this shop. In the mango lassi from this shop, which costs only 50 rupees, and now I will try it and see how it is. Very thick, but very refreshing. So 10 out of 10 because I was very dehydrated. So it's good and worth it if you want to get, because normal lassi say this is 100 times better because I love mango. Now from Brother Snacks we have got 2 ice creams. One is tutti frutti, one is mixed flavored. So total it costs 85 rupees in total. So now अभी बहुत गर्मी है इसीलिए we took the ice cream because and now I also want to have the Oreo ice cream after the finish. But ice cream खाते खाते we will go to our next food destination. So first we are going to taste and say how is food tutti frutti. It's very nice, very flavorful and fruity. So is it sour or sweet?
No, it's sweet. And it's a mix, an amalgamation of all the flavors in fruits.
Yeah, same. Like it has got nuts, it has got pista, it has got mango flavor. Like because I have taken the mixed one. So, but it tastes really nice because it's cold and it's very hot outside here and very sunny. So it's very refreshing, just like the lassi. You like the lassi more or the ice cream?
No, the ice cream.
Me too, because because ice cream is cold and it is soothing and light, and lassi is very heavy. So now let's move on. Now we are going to my very favorite place, which is Victoria Memorial. She is such a fool, she has never been there. So I'm taking her to Victoria because in front of Victoria there are a lot of small food stalls. So let's go. I'm very excited. This is the entire street which leads to our very famous Victoria Memorial. Can you see the Victoria Memorial in the back? Yes, it is. और देख ही सकते हो कि there are so many street food stalls, but we want to have something light. Light तो कुछ भी नहीं है इंडियन में, but we are both feeling that we won't have golgappa. We can have that later, but we have got crushed golgappa, which is crushed puchka, which is called churmur. So we will ask the stall that if he will make the churmur for us, because puchka stall is too much crowded, but we always go to puchka stalls which are not crowded and not many people are there. So it is empty, so we are going to go there and not there because भैया के पास already बहुत सेल है. चलो दादा चूरमुर है. Bhaiya has said that one plate of churmur will cost 50 rupees. That is the least amount they can give. So we are going to take churmur, and I am going to have churmur after probably 2-3 years now. So Bhaiya has given the churmur and he has given it in a very generous portion. I don't even have to taste it to say that it is wonderful because churmur is the best. Puchka, churmur, anything of the sort. So good, so good. I am having my churmur और feeling ही बहुत मस्त आ रहा है. हाँ, जितना भी खाओ लग रहा है कम है. इतना तीखा, इतना नमकीन, इतना sour, क्या बोलूँ. Guys, we were walking down the street and I came across my school. In fact, both of our school. This is my school. This building. Welcome to our school, from where yours truly has passed out. Just beside my school is the very famous Sharma Tea House. और इधर से चाय नहीं पिया तो जिंदगी में क्या ही किया. Cheers. This is the first chai I am having from all morning. I didn't even have coffee today. It's nice. It costs 60 rupees per person, so 120. I feel that it is like normal tea. It's not like kesar tea because the flavor of kesar has not come. Then we took a bus and directly came to a very, very small store in the heart of Korea Heart called Shankar Cabin, which mainly specializes in bhaja bhuji. So as you can see, we have taken the chicken pakora and the fish chop. Chicken pakora 1 piece only costs 17 rupees and fish chop costs 15 rupees. But portion sizes मुझे लग रहा है fish chop is काफ़ी ठीक ठाक, but chicken pakora is very small. But 17 रुपये में और क्या ही मिलेगा. So now let's try both of them. केचप और कासूंदी भी दिया है along with salad. देखिए कैसा है. टेस्टी है. हाँ, एटलीस्ट कैसे गरम है, अभी अभी फ्राई करके दिया है और क्या चाहिए. फॉर द चिकन पकौड़ा पूरा कोटिंग ही है बेसन का और अंदर चिकन एकदम इतना सा है. You know, it smells like oil, the oil that they use in everything literally. And I think I like the fish chop more. That's it for our Shankar's Cabin. Then we decided to come to my very, very favorite egg roll shop, but भीड़ देख के दोनों का दिमाग खराब हो गया because we were feeling very tired. So we walked past the shop and इनका ही एक restaurant upstairs में था. So we decided to sit there and have our food. The waiter said that we have come up in the restaurant of theirs, but they said that they will serve the same rolls, but the price will be higher upstairs. But then we decided that it's too sunny downstairs and we were roaming around for the entire day. Now we just want to sit. The taste will be the same, but just the price will be more. But we preferred because we still have the budget. अभी तक तो हमारा खर्चा कितना हुआ? Oh, अभी तक we have only spent 360 something rupees, 361 rupees. So we have a lot of money left. So this is our final stop, and that is why we have decided to come up and rest and eat our food. Wow, it's 481. We are just in budget. Like, oh my god, I passed it in flying colors. With tax, I think it will be a bit more. So let the food come first, and then we will see the bill and check out how much the total is. So this is the fish tikka roll that we ordered, and my friend already snatched it from me. I asked her to taste, but then she was having it all. Like, what the hell? Proper review. It's nice. How nice? Is it better than chicken roll or normal?
It's like chicken roll only, but only fish. Quite ordinary. Like it has some tandoori flavor, but it is fresh and it's fish.
Okay. The service is very poor, I must say. I ordered the lime soda so many minutes back. Still they are joking and not making. I ordered again, but I'm angry. But let me try the fish roll and see how it is. It's okay. It's not totally fish. I think they mixed potato with fish and then they stuffed it inside. I deliberately asked them for chilies, but they did not put chilies. They just gave a chili here, and they are expecting me to eat the chili like this. They also gave the lemon. We should squeeze the lemon inside because it is not tangy at all. But it's average. Like, I feel that the egg chicken and egg mutton roll is better because those are the specialities here. Everyone eats that. Because of the high price of fish, I think that they mixed it with other stuff. But nevertheless, it's good. It's better than average. That's why it's so popular. But the stuff, very bad. देखो देखो, लग रहा है हार्पिक से ये मेरा ड्रिंक बना रहा है. This is our fresh lime soda. It is also very bad. Don't like it. And the portion size of the fish tikka roll is also less. Nevertheless, what to do? Check our final bill now. So that is the end of our video finally. We are so full that we are having Dakars. We are burping so much. But I think the amount of walking we have to do to go home, by that all our digestive enzymes will come to work and all the food will be digested.
That it was a successful video because we did the challenge in only 487 rupees and we passed it in flying colors. If you ask me which food I like the best, it would be the kachori chaat and the churmur will be second one. Same for my friend. And I think that it was a very good day with amazing food. My taste buds are satisfied, my stomach is satisfied, more than satisfied. I have to go to the washroom now. But with that I come to the end of the video. I hope you like my channel, you keep watching my videos, you subscribe, you comment, you like and you support me as always. So bye, see you in the next